Welcome back. So we have created one user in the user table and we have seen this user table is here. So we got the email, first name, last name, but if you see here, the password is very plain text. So this is not a good idea. So anyone can see the passwords. So what we will do now in this session, we are going to see how to encode the password, how to do the configuration so that password get encoded. Okay, so let's go to the IntelliJ now, and I'll go in the user service class. But before that, I have to go in the Spring Security. What I write here, I will just define one bean, and I will write here public password encoder. I'll simply return new password, new bcrypt password encoder, new bcrypt, because we are, if you remember, we have discussed this thing, how many password encoders algorithm are there. So the best one is the bcrypt, which is standard. In a standard we are using in the production system also. So this is the password encoders is now created. Now what I have to do, whenever before saving the data in the database, I have to change that password, I have to encode that password. I will go in the service class now, and I am setting password here. So what I'll do now, I'll simply define one object here, private password encoder, and I will auto add this. So now I'll copy this and I'll simply call here dot encode method there. I'll simply pass this my raw password. So what it will do now, it will convert the password in the encoded format using the bcrypt algorithm. So let me restart this. So it is about to restart now. So it is started now, right? I'll go in the Postman. I will try to create one user here, Ravi1 suppose, and let me show the first database what is there. So there is only one username which is having the plain password. Let me create the another one. Now I got the message. Let me refresh it. Oh, it's not. Oh, the Ravi1 is already there. So I'll create the Ravi now. Let me see now. Yes. So now this data is created, and now you see the password is in encoded format, right? So it's a bit long string. If I copy this, let me put this switch. So this is the length of this. So this is a encoded format password. So now you can share, if someone is look at the DB, he can't recognize your password, right? So this is all about the encoding technique. So if you let me go through again. So what you have to do, first you have to add the configuration in the Spring Security config where all configuration were written. So just create one bean with the recommended or whatever you want, that password encoder. Now use this encoder object anywhere where you want to use this. So this is all about the password encoder method. So we are done with the registration flow. Now in the next session we'll start on the login flow. So let's see in the next session. Until then, bye.